21 time. 21.
When did 21 debut?
For the record, this is the second take. for this question. It's May 5th. No, May 6th. 2009.
Okay.
And their debut date? Okay, just 10.
The 17th.
The 17th. Oh, now it's the 7th. So, I mixed it up.
So what's their group color?
It's actually pink.
Not hot pink?
It's like a hot pink.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is it not white? I don't know.
I feel like it's red or gold. I don't
Or
know.
black.
Black like my
Or black.
soul.
Black for blackjacks.
How many members are 21? What does 21 stand for?
New evolution of the 21st century.
Didn't they have like another name?
Yes, they had another name, but there was gonna be 21, just like 2-1 originally, but someone else was named that, so they were only 21. But originally they were gonna be named Tsunami. Yeah,
Okay.
Tsunami.
Alright, so their birth year.
The birth year. Okay.
I'm asking for birthdays. Do you know their birthdays? Birth years! Birth years!
Birth year. Bomb is older than Dara, but they're in the same year.
Yeah.
Minzy is 94. CL is 90.
Uh-huh.
91. And Dara is 80 to 85?
Do you happen to know what their like spirit animal they are?
CL's a lion. A chipmunk? A bunny?
Yeah.
Oh, Dara's a bunny. Koala. A dog.
You know she likes to eat, right?
What is she, pig? Panda? Oh, hamster? She's a hamster?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, what is
So far, I'm failing.
CL's role in 21?
Leader! And rapper and singer and every freaking thing else.
Where was she born? And
CL was born in Korea.
so what was the original company, training company that she was in?
Oh.
Oh, you don't know!
Oh wait, wasn't she in JYP?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that.
Do you know why she wanted to leave?
It was not working for her.
She was not about that whisper. Do you know which member is very fond of sewing rag dolls?
CL. I miss the old CL. Well, technically, she's still CL, but I kind of miss the cuter side.
Yeah, you don't see that side anymore.
Yeah. So the side where she's not in your face, she's kind of to the side, doing her own thing.
Where was Bomb? Where did Bomb live?
The States.
And she went to Maryland, and then she like sneaked off into Berkeley.
Yeah.
Because her parents?
Yeah. Because her parents didn't want to support her anymore, so then her aunt supported her.
Yeah.
You know, it does.
You know what instruments she can play?
Song? The flute. I'm gonna go with the piano.
Okay.
Every Korean knows piano. The cello, right?
Yeah.
She knows the cello because of her sister.
What is her English name?
Bong?
Yeah.
I heard this before. I can't remember it. It's something very simple,
I
right?
feel like there's another.
Jenny!
Yeah, there's another. Isn't there
I
another?
knew it! Jenny!
Isn't there another Jenny Park?
No? I'm
True-
sorry, 21. I
true
still love you.
blackjack.
I love you.